Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ryan Small here from Lucknow Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Today we're going to go over 3 exercises that help with any spinal related injuries or potentially any sciatica. So what that is sometimes the disc will bulge into the spinal canal here, and when that disc bulges it can apply pressure onto the nerves here, which can cause some localized pain or as well as some pain down to the leg as well. Okay, so we're just going to show 3 exercises here which can potentially help with some of that pain management. So I'm going to get Janice here to just walk you through the exercises, and we'll get into it right now. All right, so Janice, the first exercise here we're going to do is the cat camel. So with this one here, you'll be on all fours, and all you're going to do is round your back up and dip it downwards. Good, and then rolling it backwards and bringing it up. So what this one helps with is just some mobility here into the low back. And it helps just regain some range of motion, especially if you have any stiffness in the area. All right, so the next one here, we're going to be lying down onto your stomach. And what this one is called is a prone extension. So again, what this is going to do is help regain some extension here into the low back and hopefully relieve some tension there onto the back as well. So what I'm going to get Janice to do is just bring her chest up off the table, good, and bringing it back down. And with this one, you really want to make sure that you're keeping your hips onto the table and just bringing your chest up. Good, you can do one more time there. And so if this is too easy and you want to make the exercise a little bit more challenging, you can bring your hands onto the table and push up and bring it into a greater range of motion there. Good. All right, and you can relax there, Janice. And if the going onto the elbows is too difficult for you, you can just simply lie with your chest onto the table. Yeah, you can just relax there. And so you can just lie in this position for about 30 seconds to a minute and just let your back relax and loosen up. If you notice that the pain starts to go away or it subsides, then you can go into going onto the elbows there. All right, exactly, just like that. And then the last exercise we're going to do here is a hip bridge. So Janice, I'm going to get you just to roll into your back here. Good. So yeah, you'll just be lying onto your back, and I'm just going to grab a foam roller here. So you're just going to bend your knees onto about a 90-degree angle here, and I'm just going to place this foam roller in between the legs here. So what Janice is going to do is just going to slightly squeeze onto the foam roller, and as she does this, she's just going to raise her hips up off the table. And you can hold that for a couple seconds. Good. And then relax down. Good. And bringing your hips up again. And relaxing again. Good. So you can just relax there, Janice. So if you don't have a foam roller at home, you can use something that's rigid like a soccer ball or a basketball or anything that's has some rigidity to it. You don't want to use anything soft like a pillow because you need something where you can apply some pressure on there. Okay. So yeah, these are just 3 exercises here that can help with any low back pain and potentially into that sciatic nerve area. If this is something that sounds familiar to you, give us a call or send us an email here at Lucknow Chiropractic, and we can set you up with one of the 3 chiropractors here to properly assess you and hopefully get you moving better. Thanks.